Let's explore Git Notes. Git Notes are used for adding metadata to commits without changing the commit history. They allow you to attach extra information to your commits, making it easier to track reviews, builds, or other important details. Git Notes provide a way to add or edit metadata for Git objects, without changing the objects themselves. Git Notes allow you to annotate commits with additional information without altering commit history. Let's explore some key features. First, Git Notes are stored separately from commits. Second, Git Notes can be shared between repositories. Third, Git Notes don't affect commit hashes. Fourth, Git Notes can be added retroactively. Here are some common use cases for Git Notes. First, code review feedback. You can store detailed code review comments and feedback that are too extensive for commit messages, but important for historical context. Second, CI/CD information. Attach build results, test outcomes, and deployment information to specific commits without modifying the commit itself. Third, issue tracking. Link commits to issue trackers or add references to external systems and documentation after the commit was created. Fourth, performance metrics. You can record performance benchmarks or metrics associated with specific code changes to track optimization efforts over time. Let's explore basic Git Notes commands. First, how to add notes. You can attach a note to a commit using the command Git Notes add. You can specify the commit or use head for the most recent commit. To add a note to the most recent commit, use the command Git Notes add -m followed by the message in quotes like this fixed bug number 123 in quotes. To add a note to a specific commit, use the command Git Notes add -m followed by the message in quotes like important fix in quotes, followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. Next, how to view notes. You can view notes attached to commits using Git log with the Show Notes option, or view a specific commit's notes. To show all commits with their notes, use the command git log --show -notes. To view notes for a specific commit, use the command git notes show, followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. Let's explore advanced Git Notes commands. First, how to edit notes. You can modify existing notes attached to a commit. This replaces the previous note content with new content. To edit the note on the current commit, use the command git notes edit. To edit the note on a specific commit, use the command git notes edit, followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. Next, how to remove notes. You can delete notes that are no longer needed from specific commits without affecting the commit itself. To remove a note from the current commit, use the command git notes remove. To remove a note from a specific commit, use the command git notes remove, followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. Let's explore working with Git Notes namespaces. Git Notes can be organized into different namespaces, allowing multiple sets of notes to be attached to the same commit. This is useful for separating different types of metadata. The default namespace is commits if none is specified. To add a note in a custom namespace, use the command git notes --ref equals code -review add -m, followed by the message in quotes, lgtm in quotes followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. To view notes in a specific namespace, use the command git notes --ref equals code -review show followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. To list all namespaces, use the command git notes list. To remove a note from a namespace, use the command git notes --ref equals build -info remove, followed by the commit ID, a 1B2C3D4. Let's explore how to share Git Notes. Git Notes are not automatically pushed or pulled with regular commits. You need to explicitly push and pull notes to share them with others. To push notes to a remote repository, use the command git push origin refs /notes /*. To push notes from a specific namespace, use the command git push origin refs /notes /code -review. To pull notes from a remote repository, use the command git fetch origin refs /notes *refs /notes *. To pull a specific namespace, use the command git fetch origin refs /notes /build refs /notes /build. You can configure Git to automatically push and pull notes with regular commits. To configure automatic notes fetching, use the command git config --add remote.origin fetch refs /notes *refs /notes *. Note that this only configures fetching. For pushing, you'll need to set up a push ref spec or use explicit push commands. Let's explore some Git Notes best practices. First, use structured formats. Consider using structured formats like JSON or YAML for notes content to make it machine-readable and consistent. Second, namespace organization. Use different namespaces for different types of metadata, for example, code review, build info, deployment. Third, document your workflow. Document your team's notes usage and sharing conventions to ensure everyone follows the same practices. Fourth, avoid sensitive information. Don't store secrets or sensitive information in notes, as they can be easily shared between repositories. Git Notes provide a powerful way to annotate your repository history without changing commit hashes, enabling better documentation and metadata tracking. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.